got scared. The stairway here is disgusting. It smells too. Okay, please look at this whole thing. Fireworks are going to be going off over there somewhere. I'm very high up. I'm up 6 floors. This don't bother me for some reason. Look at that. Come on, focus. There we go. Oh my god. Super tired. I literally went from the first floor all the way up. Can you see from here? Hang on. Okay, yeah, so if you look over there, at that corner right there, actually, this corner right here, that was the garage I was going to go up in. The rooftop access is not available. Just that floor. There's the roof right there. There's the roof. And there's that floor. Only that floor was available open. At least if this garage you could actually be on top. I don't know where my parents are. They just dropped me off and I said, okay, I'll call you when I'm done. Well, they're down there. Well, I think they might be down the carnival actually. Yeah. I love this camera, it can focus so well. God, it's been like 2 weeks since I uploaded my gaming channel. I'll get back to that soon. I just kind of run out of ideas to play. I have 20 bucks. I mean, I would go down there, but I'm kind of not one for rides anymore. Unless I'm with a friend. So I go to see my parents. Where are they? Yeah. They're right there. Look. Gray jacket. I was just sitting here looking down there like, should I go down there? Ah, screw it, I'm gonna go down there.
She's wearing LOL socks. Shoes.
All of her old glasses. Mm-hmm. Wow. You got LOL underwear on?
I had LOL underwear the last time. That's your LOL. I'm wearing the shirt.
Just something coming down.
Huh? Put down your glasses, huh? I'm covered. Right?
Come on! Once that little lag goes off, that means it's where the hell is it? Left? Oh, no. Down. Door. Shut the fucking door! I'm high up, you can't really see down there. Oh yeah, there's a bridge to the mall. Ooh. Don't stop.
So it's going down.
It's going down.
Same as us.
Okay, great. Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Nick's Games. No, what's wrong one? Nick's Vlogs 907.
Nick's Vlogs 907.
Yeah.
Well, good luck, man.
It's going down.
You are dumb. You are so dumb right now. If this goes down, it's going down. We're going downwards. Good. You are a disgrace. We're back where we started. What's wrong with you?
You guys almost went across the fucking street.
Well,
No slip and fall. Fucking hell. I love this. It started. Jeez, that might be a bit too loud. Yeah, very, very loud. Oh my god, man. I'm so out of breath. I may need to drop the volume a bit.